Alright guys, another beautiful morning here at Two Eagles Garage. Figured I'd give you a little update of what I'm working on today. I won't get much video of this part, and I'll explain that further in a minute, but I figured I'd share with you guys what we're working on today. Let's flip you around and see what we got. We're working on the old Fox body again. Doing some interior work this time. You guys guess what we're doing? Well, we're patching up some rust holes. And one of the reasons I'm not filming this, guys, is it's hard enough to do with the welder that I have, much less try to film it too. I debated on even showing this to you guys because of the quality of the welds. But I always said from the beginning of this channel that I would share things like this with you guys, whether it be good or bad, and I wouldn't cut out a whole lot of the bad stuff. Well, this is me showing you. I've got 2 patches in already. Yes, I know the welds look terrible, but with the welder I'm using, it blows through the metal. If I hold it in one spot too long, it blows through the metal, so I have to just barely spot weld it. I have to just touch and go. And it's because I'm using a Harbor Freight brand MIG welder. And the MIG welder, you can only control the wire speed and minimum or maximum heat. You have no control over the heat. And when you're welding on thin sheet metal like this, it'll blow holes through it real quick because it's a flux core welder. And it burns hotter than a regular welder does, than a regular MIG welder does. So it burns hotter. I cut both of these patches out right here and replaced them. I patched a few holes that were just a few holes, made them bigger of course, but I still patched them. I've got this patch to go. I've got one more patch right here. There's another patch up under this grinder, and there's a crack right here that I've got to fix. So we're gonna get on it and get some welding done, and I'll toss in a few more pictures as we go, show you guys how it's going. Y'all guys have a good day. It's a frosty one here. Y'all have a good day and enjoy the video. Alright guys, here's some of today's product. She ain't perfect, but she'll do. Patched up a few small holes right here, little pinholes, because I'm going with a light up under the car and making sure there's no pinholes in any of my welds. That was the patch I welded in today. If you guys remember, that's the patch from earlier. Yes, I know the welds are ugly. Don't knock me for it. It's a Harbor Freight welder. Burning too hot to weld this kind of metal, but I'm making it work, guys. I do not have another welder that will weld this, so cut me some slack. I know some of you welder guys out there are probably peeing your pants right about now, but you'll survive, I promise. Take a deep breath, you'll be alright. Because we still got this big patch to go. Got that patch to go, and there's a tiny patch right there I gotta do. And then I gotta weld this up. I think this will be okay. I think I'm gonna be able to weld that up pretty decent. We'll see how it goes. But alright guys, that's it for today. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for joining Two Eagles. Remember, give me a like and subscribe.